Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to use karaoke mode on Apple Music. First, open Apple Music. Once you have found a song that you like, you can simply start playing the song. After playing the song, you're going to tap on the quote icon in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to see a microphone pop up, as you can see right here. And all you'll need to do is simply tap on the microphone. You'll realize that your volume has dropped, and now you can start singing along to your favorite song. And to remove the karaoke mode, all you'll have to do is tap on the quotation icon again. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. As you can see, you'll also see a sing sign right there. You can see right below the timeline. Thanks for watching.